And road crews are responding to any issues on the roads this morning as soon as they can, but they're also urging people to limit any unnecessary travel today.
Yeah, Lori Musto with PennDOT is on the phone with us this morning. Lori, thank you so much for waking up, for being here with us this morning. Your district covers Allegheny and Beaver County. So how are things there so far? Anything standing out, or is it what you expected?
Good morning. It is what we expected. We did expect the snow to stick fairly quickly, and that's exactly what happened. As soon as it started to snow this morning, we started to see the roads get covered pretty quickly.
And Lori, are you seeing any trouble spots out there so far? I know it's pretty early on.
No real trouble spots. All the roads are snow covered. As quickly as we could plow them off, they're getting recovered again. We've been trying to run the plow trains on the multi-lane and on the interstates. But as soon as we go through, you're quickly seeing them become snow covered again. We've seen several vehicles have some issues, but no real designated trouble spot right at this point in time. They're all snow covered.
Yeah, it is a lot. This is an intense snowstorm and one we haven't seen like it in more than a decade. Is there anything that you want to let people know if they absolutely do have to go out today?
If you don't have to go out, please don't go out. Just give us time to work. But if you do have to go out, give yourself extra time. Make sure your vehicle is equipped to handle the snow. Obviously, two-wheel drive vehicles or ball tires, the people really have a lot of issues. But give yourself extra time, and just please give our trucks time to work. Stay back those 6 car lanes so that our truck could safely work.
And Lori, here real quick, do you have any other message for people who are watching this, listening early this morning?
No, other than it is treacherous out. The visibility, especially if a car passes you or one of those heavy bands hits, the visibility is quickly dropping down to 0. So it is treacherous out. Just be careful if you do have to go out, but we do highly recommend you don't go out if you don't have to.
Lori Musto, good words there with PennDOT. Thank you so much for joining us early this morning. You and your team, please stay safe and take breaks as you can.